வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்டு சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் டேர்ம் 3 ஹிஸ்ட்ரி லெசன் 2 த போஸ்ட் மயூரியன் இந்தியா அந்த லெசனுக்கு தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். த லாஸ்ட் மயூரியன் எம்பரர் வாஸ் கில்டு பை புஷ்யமித்ரா இஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Das was the founder of Satavahana dynasty. Option A, Saimukha is the correct answer. Das was the greatest of all the Kushana emperors. Option A, Kanishka is the correct answer. The Kantara school of Sanskrit flourished in the Dash during 2nd century of BC. Option B, Northwest India is the correct answer. Shakaras ruled over Gandhara region. Option A, Shirkop is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. Das was the founder of Indo-Parthian kingdom. Gondophares in the south, Satavahanas became independent after the Dash death. Ashokas. Hala is the famous as the author of Satasai. Das was the last ruler of Kanva dynasty. Shushvarma. Kushana later capital was Peshawar or Purushpura is the answer. Next one, match the statement with the reason and tick the appropriate answer. Assyrians and colonies in Indo-Greeks and Indo-Parthians were established along the northwest part of India. The option A, both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. Statement 1, Indo-Greek rulers introduced the die system and produced coins with inscription and symbols engraving figures of them. Statement 2, Indo-Greek rule was ended by Kushanas. The option B, statement 2 is wrong, but statement 1 is correct is the correct answer. Circle the odd one out. Pushyamitra, Vasudeva, Saimukha, Kanishka. And the answer is Kanishka is the correct answer. Magadha continued to be great center of Buddhist culture even after the fall of Mayuryan Empire. True. We get information about the Harvela from Hathihuba inscription. True. Saimukha waged a successful war against Magadha. False. Buddha Charitra was written by Aswagosha. True. மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோயிங். உங்களுக்கு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா புக்கில் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து தப்பாக கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. நான் உங்களுக்கு கரெக்ட் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் வந்து மாடிஃபை பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். பதஞ்சலி, செகண்ட் கிராமினியன், அக்னிமித்ரா, மாளவிகா மித்ரா, கிங் ஹர்ஹேலா, கலிங்கா, டிமெரிட்டியஸ், இண்டோ-கிரீக், கோண்டோஹீனஸ், இண்டோ-பராத்தியன்ஸ். Find out the wrong statement from the following. So the option 2 is the correct answer. Kanishka made Jainism the state religion and built many monasteries. Answer the following in the word. Who was the lastest Sangha ruler? Devabhutu. Who was the most important and famous king of Sakas? Vasudeva. Who established Kanva dynasty in Magadha? Vasudeva. Who converted Gonda Pernis into Christianity? Saint Thomas. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. What happened to the last Mayuryan emperor? The last Mayuryan emperor, Birhartha, was assassinated by his own general, Pushpamitra Sangha. He established his Sangha dynasty in Magadha. Write a note on Kalidasa, Malbigam Agnimitra. Agnimitra is said to be the hero of Kalidasa, Malavika, Agnimitra. Agnimitra was son of Pushpamitra. Name the ruler of Kanva dynasty. The Kanva dynasty produced 4 kings and their rule lasted only 45 years. The Kanva's rulers were Vasudeva, Bhumi Mitra, Narayana, Shushraram. highlight the literacy achievement of Shatavahanas. The Shatvahana king Mahala was himself the great scholar of Sanskrit. Hala is famous as the author of Satasai 700 stanzas in Prakrit. Name the places where Shatvana monuments are situated. Gandhara, Mathura, Amaravati, Bodh Gaya, Sanchi and Barhut were known as the splendid monuments and art. The Mathura school of sculpture produced images and life-size statues of Buddhist, Brahmanical and Jain deities. Next one, answer the following in detail. Who invaded India after the decline of Mayuryan Emperor? The breakup of Mayuryan resulted in the invention of Sakaras, Parthians, Indo-Greeks or Bactria Greeks and Kushanas from the northwest. In the south, Satvana became independent after Ashoka's death. There were Shugna and Kanva in the north before the emergence of Gupta dynasty. Cherdis declared at their independence. Though Magadha ceased to be the premier state of India, it continued to the great center of Buddhist center. Pushpamitra Shunga established his Shunga dynasty in Magadha. He extended the kingdom westward to include Ujjain and Vidisha. He successfully repulsed the invasion of Bactria king. He earthquaked an attack from the Kalinga king Karavela. He also conquered Vidarbha. Gautama Mitra Shatakarni. Gautama Mitra Shatakarni was the greatest ruler of the family in the Nasik. Parashasti published his mother Gautami Balasiri. Gautamaputra Shatakami is described as the destroyer of Sakas, Yavanas and Pallavas. The extent of the empire is also mentioned in the record. Their domain include Maharashtra, North Konkan, Bihar, Gujarat, Kathiawar and Malwa. His ship coins are suggestive of Andhra's skill in seafaring. Indo-Parthian kingdom of Gondopari dynasty was founded by Gondoparians. The domain of Indo-Parthians comprised Kabul and Gandhara. The name of Gondophares associated the Christian apostle St. Thomas. According to Christian tradition, St. Thomas visited the court of Gondophares. St. Thomas converted Gondophares to Christianity. Menander was one of the best known of Indo-Greek kings. He is said to have ruled a large kingdom in the northwest of the country. His coins are found over an extensive area ranging from Kabul Valley and Indus Valley to western Uttar Pradesh. Milinda Panha, a Buddhist text, is a discourse between Bactrian king Milinda and the learned Buddhist scholar Nagasena. This Milinda is identified with Menander. Menander is believed to have become the Buddhist and promoted Buddhism. Sakas as nomads came in huge number and spread all over northern and western India. They were against the tribe of Turkey nomads. They were Scythians, nomadic ancient Iranians. They were known as the Sakas in Sanskrit. The Indo-Greek rule in India was ended by them. Kanishka was an ardent Buddhist. His empire was the Buddhist empire. He adopted Buddhism under the influence of Ashwagosha, the celebrated monk from Pataliputra. He was equal as the exponent and champion of Mahayanism. He made Buddhism as the state religion. He built many stupas and monasteries in Mathura, Taxila and many other parts of his kingdom. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ அப்லோட் ஃபினிஷ் ஆகுது. And next video I will be uploaded soon. Thank you for watching my channel.